TimeSolv provides a quick and easy way to see all your time entries without having to run a full report. Many times you want to find entries for a particular matter or client to add either more time or review the status of the time entries. To conduct a time entry search, click on Time, Search. In the search criteria field, search for any term, whether it is a timekeeper's name, a client's name, a matter name, or even a specific text in the description of the time entry. The date range allows you to narrow down to a specific date range, or you can leave it open-ended. Click on More Options to further narrow down your search. You can see here we can select a timekeeper and select a specific client or matter. We can specify a status for the time entry. Is it a new entry? Is it rejected in terms of the approval process? It's been submitted for approval, it's been approved, it's pending approval, or it's been billed, written off, or it's non-billable, closed. And then we have the timer. All will put all the time entries with running and not running time entries in the search. Running will filter the time entries which have running timers. Stopped will filter the time entries which have no running time entries. And then we have the option to narrow down with even the billable type. Was it a billable entry, non-billable, or no charge? And hit search, and here we can see the time entry details. And if we click on the document icon, we can see the time entry details, and we can even copy the time entry and create a similar or a identical time entry for this again. Users can also go ahead and create a new time entry from under the time search screen, and we can even copy or move the time. So for example, if we try and move this entry onto a different matter, different timekeeper, click move, and it's now been reassigned to, this is the one that we've just moved over. We can edit the entry, we can see the time entry details from here, and we can copy or delete the entry.